Welcome to Navi Mumbai Projects channel. We are covering new projects like New Western Dedicated Freight Corridor construction, Airoli-Kate New Bridge construction, Mumbai Trans Harbour Link Bridge, Navi Mumbai International Airport videos and Delhi Mumbai Expressway spur to JNPT. Please watch my video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Airoli-Kate Naka Elevated Road first phase set to be completed by September 2021. MMRDA has already started the work on the freeway, which is being constructed in three phases: a link between Thane Belapur Road and NH4, Phase 1, elevated road from Airoli to Thane Belapur, Phase 2, and a link between NH4 and Kate Naka, Phase 3. Work is on full swing for a tunnel at the Parsik Hill and elevated road near Airoli Bridge. Once this freeway is completed, it will decongest the heavy traffic on Shilfata Road and it will cut travel time between Kate Naka to Airoli by 30 minutes. It will benefit commuters coming from Mumbai and heading towards Kalyan, Ambernath and Badlapur. Kalyan Lok Sabha MP Dr. Shrikant Shinde on Thursday organized an inspection at the project site with MMRDA officials. After making inspection of work, while speaking to media persons, Dr. Shinde showed his satisfaction over the progress of work on 6 lanes from Airoli to Mumra, Y Junction, and tunnel work which is going on war footing. Dr. Shinde said MMRDA has claimed that Phase 1 work of the project is likely to be completed by end of September 2021 while tunnel work is also going at war footing level. Shinde informed that a proposal for approval of phone number 2 has been submitted to the Urban Development Department and after getting approval, the process of land acquisition will be started soon with all necessary permission. After the completion of the road from Airoli to Mumra, Y Junction, and Mumra, Y Junction, to Kate, the journey of the citizens will be faster and residents of Kalyan Dombivli, Ulhasnagar, Ambernath and Badlapur will be benefited most. The junction-free route from Kate Naka to Airoli will be 12.3 kilometers after the completion of the project. The project includes construction of 3 lanes each for up and down traffic. The project is being executed in 3 phases. The first phase of the project includes a link between Thane Belapur Road and National Highway NH-4 near Mumra bypass, the distance of which is around 11.8 kilometers at present. The stretch includes 3 of NH4 and a tunnel cutting through Parsik Hill of 1 towards the end of NH4. The work for the elevated road started in November 2017 and for the tunnel work in 2018. The most important features of this project is that tunnel with 1.69 kilometers is one of the longest tunnel compared to several other tunnels on Mumbai-Pune Expressway. The 33.8 km long corridor is being constructed from Airoli to Kate Naka, Dombivli. About 30% of the work has been completed and the authority aims to complete it by 2021. A tunnel is being constructed near the Mumra bypass to connect the road to National Highway 4. The tunnel will directly connect Rabale and Mumra bypass, cutting travel time by 45 minutes. People living in areas such as Navi Mumbai and Kalyan region will primarily benefit from the project. At present, the stretch between Thane and Kate Naka is infamous for traffic congestion. The commuters coming from Nashik, Gujarat and Thane city will have a direct link to this freeway after it is constructed. The junction-free route from Airoli to Kate Naka will be 12.3 kilometers after the completion of the project. The estimated cost of constructing the freeway is 944 crores. This article released by Free Press Journal correspondent. Due to presence of Thane Creek which falls under the project area, the environmental clearance is required which would be given by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MoF), added the official. In the third phase, a road of 6 will be constructed from NH4 and Kate Naka that will run perpendicular to Diva Panvel railway line. The freeway from Airoli to Kate Naka is also likely to act as a feeder network for the Virar Alibag Multi-Modal Corridor project. This article released by Free Press Journal correspondent. The stretch includes 3 of NH4 and a tunnel cutting through Parsik Hill of 1 towards the end of NH4. The plan is to construct ramps, sloping surface, at both the ends of NH4 and Thane Belapur Road to connect each other after elevating the tunnel for better alignment, added the official. The total construction period for the first phase is 40 months, added the official. The tenders have been floated for the first phase of the project. Once the project is executed, the stretch between Thane Belapur Road and NH4 will be reduced to 4 kilometers. An MMRDA official said, with the link between Thane Belapur Road and NH4, commuters will be able to cut down their travel time by half an hour. At present, the commuters need to take a detour by traveling to Mahape and Shilpata areas to reach NH4 near Mumra bypass. The project will help decongest the heavy traffic presence on Thane Belapur Road. The commuters coming from Thane and Mumbai can directly reach NH4 near Mumbai bypass once the link road is thrown open for public use. Quote, currently, the process for land acquisition from Bharat Bijli and Siemens, who owns the land near Thane Belapur Road, which has been given on lease by MIDC, is under process. In the second phase, an elevated road will be constructed towards the end of Airoli Bridge, which will consist of two. This road will then connect Thane Belapur Road. This elevated road will run perpendicular to the existing Thane Belapur railway line. Nearly acres belonging to the state's mangrove cell in Thane district will be handed over to the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (MMRDA) for the Airoli-Thane Belapur elevated road. The 33.8 km long corridor is being constructed from Airoli to Kate Naka, Dombivli. About 30% of the work has been completed and the authority aims to complete it by 2021. A tunnel is being constructed near the Mumbai bypass to connect the road to National Highway 4. The tunnel will directly connect Rabale and Mumbai bypass, cutting travel time by 45 minutes. People living in areas such as Navi Mumbai and Kalyan region will primarily benefit from the project. At present, the stretch between Thane and Kate Naka is infamous for traffic congestion. Construction work has commenced on the second tunnel of Airoli-Kate freeway on the 24th of December 2020. The freeway, consisting 1.68 km long twin tunnels, is a major part of the project on Thane Belapur elevated route, which will help reduce travel time for commuters. The freeway consists of two tunnels, each with 3 lanes. The project will connect Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Kalyan Dombivli. The new route will ease traffic caused at Shilphata by reducing travel time between Airoli to Dombivli to only 15 minutes. The construction work of the project undertaken by the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority (MMRDA) is on speed track. The construction work of the Y Junction Bridge ahead of the Kate Naka is also being undertaken simultaneously. Moreover, the tender process of the Shilphata flyover will soon be completed. The project has been carried in 3 phases. The second phase consists of a flyover near Dombivli. The flyover and underpass at Shilphata will benefit by reducing traffic for motorists commuting from Dombivli, Kalyan and Badlapur. The work on the project is expected to complete in the next 2.5 years. The twin tunnels of the freeway, consisting of 6 lanes, will also comprise refuge lanes for maintenance of the freeway. To ensure safety of travelers, it will also consist of exhaust fans, CCTVs and fire brigade team.